This guide will help you set up Grand Theft Auto V for low-performance systems in 2026. Follow these steps to optimize your game for better performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Go to the Game Settings menu and lower the graphics settings. Set options like texture quality, shadow quality, and reflections to low or very low. This will reduce the strain on your hardware. Step 2. Resolution settings. Change the resolution to a lower setting. A resolution of 1280x720 or lower can significantly improve performance on low-end systems. Make sure to apply the changes before exiting the menu. Step 3. Disable VSync. In the graphics settings, find the option for VSync and disable it. This can help increase your frame rate, especially on systems that struggle to maintain a consistent output. Step 4. Limit frame rate. If your system is still struggling, consider limiting the frame rate to a lower value, such as 30 FPS. This can help stabilize performance and reduce stuttering during gameplay. Step 5. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers, which can improve performance and compatibility with the game. By following these steps, you should be able to enjoy GTA V on a low-performance system with improved gameplay. Happy gaming!